Okay, we'll do a walk around of the Verner installation here. I haven't done that for a while. I do believe I've got the motor mount issue worked out. I've got a situation here where the rubbers, the bushings are mounted in such a manner that any of the engine vibration is handled right there by those bushings. And the angles are such that when the engine tries to rotate, the bushing compresses and expands just like they're originally designed to do. And the ones on the bottom, same type of a thing. And if you're wondering what the angle on the top is, it's should be 43 degrees, and the angle on the bottom is 20 degrees. And anyway, everything seems to be doing everything it's supposed to be doing. I just changed the jet in my Mikuni carburetor from a 250 down to a 230. My EGT went from 940 at 2100 RPM up to 1140 at 2100 RPM, and wide open throttle went from about 2380 up to about 2450. So I'm starting to get it dialed in. Now, if you can see, the exhaust pipes are nice and gray like you'd want. Everything seems to be doing good. I've got some stuff here that's kind of Mickey Mouse, but you know, when you got it on and off so many times, no sense in, you know, getting too carried away. I've got some painting that's got to be done. I got to put some better covers on my battery and on the starter up here. And anyway, I've got to the starter motor is set up so I can remove it quite easily, and it does everything I want it to do without the starter motor. It's easy to start it in any configuration without the starter motor. And anyway, it's idling good with the Mikuni. I'll take some pictures down underneath here, and so you can kind of see what's going on up in there. And my oil tank seems to be doing what you'd want to do there. Another side bit, these big tires on the Legal Eagle just are a world apart from anything else I've tried. The Black Max 606 wheels, brakes, and then I put the 806 golf tires on top of there. They're a Carlisle tire. Oh, do they work. Got 8 pounds of pressure in them, and they do everything you'd want it to do. Anyway, one other thing we'll do while we're standing here, I'll come back here. Now, if you can see this, I've got 47.8 hours on the engine at this point in time. I got a voltmeter over here. I have 2 USB ports, one for my phone, 4-flight program powering, airspeed, vertical airspeed, and altimeter by B-Light, EGT, CHT, and this is Electronics International. I'm using it because it's fast, it's accurate, and it does the job, and I know precisely what's going on. Oil temperature, stopwatch, oil temperature, and my tachometer, of course. Anyway, the most important instrument you have in here in reality is probably the stopwatch if you're doing any cross-country flying. And after you get the bugs worked out and comfortable with it, the EGT, CHT is not really needed. Oil temperature should probably be there just for safety, and it's so small and so light, it shouldn't be a problem. Voltmeter is important also. And anyway, it's getting kind of dirty down there, and I broke my spring, so I got to repair my spring on my rudder pedal. But if that's the worst thing that happens, I'm doing good. Anyway, that's what it looks like from this view here. And Over and out, and we'll let you go.